Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2011 Pete 388 short nose. It has 618,422 kilometers with 10,119 engine hours on its Cummins ISX engine, 525 horsepower, 1,850 torque. It does have a Jake brake. It has a single diff lock with interaxle lock. It has an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. RTLO 18918B. The front axle rating is 12,000 pounds on axle model E1202 on spring suspension, and the rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds on axle DSH40 on Pete low airleaf suspension. The rear axle ratio is 3.70. The rubber is 24.5 all the way around on aluminum rims, all the way around inside and out. The wheelbase is 244 inches. It has twin fuel tanks, both 150-gallon, with a 72-inch single sleeper. The CVI is valid till April 30th, 2015. There is an extended warranty on the engine to 804,000 kilometers or 5 years, which comes due November of 2015. We're going to do a general walk around of the unit, then we're going to come up close for a tight inspection. I will also point out the engine was rebuilt under warranty at 250,000 kilometers. So let's do a general walk around here. We're going to come up close for a tight inspection. I do have some room limitations, so I'll get as far away as I can before coming up close. And this is the farthest distance I'm going to get on the sides. So areas you don't see in the video, I will be able to have the photographs for you. And I'm going to have to get up close here to get around to the front. I'm just going to step back for a moment here and then come up close. I'm going to point out this moose bumper. It is a highly upgraded one of the larger ones I've seen. Let's come up to it. And I'm going to point out there's a lot of LED lighting on the truck. It is everywhere. I'm going to point that out here as well in the moose bumper. And I'll just pan up the moose bumper here. There's some more lighting. These ones here are great for fog and LED headlights. I'm going to pan up the driver's side of the unit. We can see there's dual exhaust. I'm going to pan over the bumper again and up the passenger side of the unit. It has been extremely well maintained. It's in excellent condition. And let's keep taking a closer look. We're going to raise the hood and listen to the engine a little later on. Everything's in great condition. I'm not seeing as much as a scratch in the paint. Let's just take a look here at the sleeper. We are on the passenger side. Really good condition. There's train horns underneath here. I'm also going to point out quickly there are wheel balancers here in the front wheel. And it's nice and level to the axis here. Hookups are in order. And the rear of the sleeper is also in great condition. See, we have air ride cab. And I'll go as far as I can here for axles 2 and 3. I'm going to come up between them. The rubber is in excellent condition. Looks like 90% to me, but do take a look at the photographs and you'll be able to see it very clearly. Now let's come up behind the unit. Now we're over on the driver's side. I've got a little bit more space here. And let's come up between axles 2 and 3 again. Give you a good look at the Pete low air leaf suspension. I'll point out these Magnum fenders are very heavy duty and there's not a dent in them, which is unusual. So they're in great condition. Let's step back here, take a look at the sleeper on the driver's side. I'm going to point out as well that there is lighting underneath the sleeper. I don't think we can see it in the video here, but again we'll be able to see it on the photos. And everything is looking very good in this truck from the outside. Let's go inside the cab. And it is very spacious, nice and clean in here. Looks like a navigation system here. Yeah. And the seats look like the original seats, and they're in good shape as well. Let's take a look at the driver's side here. And it's very dark today, so we're not going to see anything on video in the cab, or in the sleeper rather, so we'll have to consult the photos for that. I'm going to start up the unit, and let's take a look under the hood. And there you have it, another great piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.